Okay, so this is what I'm using. I got this mirror from Dollar Tree. It looks really pretty. I mean, it looks kind of cheap. It feels pretty cheap, but it's not that bad. So I'm gonna fancy this up. I got some beads. These are from Michaels, just a bunch of different shades of pearls. I got some Swarovskis just because, you know, we gotta have some sparkle. I got this cool charm that I'm gonna put on, and of course my glue gun, and then I got this pearls like tape sticker. So that's what I'm using today, and here we go. Okay, so I'm first gonna start with the beads. These are, oh no, that just came right off. I don't think that's supposed to happen. There we go. Okay. All right, and I am going to put this, I think, on the outside. I don't know how sticky these are. I should probably be using hot glue. So, oh, see, look at how nice that is. Hold on. This comes with a whole yard of pearl stickers on a tape. So, you know me, you know I love pearls. Oh, you know what? I need some scissors. Or maybe I don't. Maybe I could just tear this. Hold on. Boom. And now it won't stick. Okay. Well, I'm going to use some glue here. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so pretty. Yeah, I was opening this box and my nail polish got all messed up. Man. I guess that'll teach me. Ah. Okay, so what I'm going to begin to do now is to glue these little pearls onto the mirror. And I'm just gonna put like a bunch of them around. Just make a big like nest, I guess. Getting hot glue all over my hands, but here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're having a problem. Oh, up and left. Oh my gosh. Why are they jumping out of the box? Goodness gracious. My word. So I've decided that all of the pearls are where I want them to be. So I'm going to glue my Mermaid Charm right about there. It's just kind of sitting on the pearls. So I'm going to take my glue gun and really just kind of load it up in here. And pop it on. There. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is apply our crystals. So I'm not really sure what the best way to do this is. I should probably have like a sticky tool or something. But I'm just going to place them around. Oops, I lost one in the crack of the table already. I'm just going to place them around kind of randomly wherever I feel like putting a sparkle. Go. Woo, that's pretty. So here it is, the finished product. I went ahead and put some more pearls on the handle. I just thought that would make it a little prettier. We have sparkle, we have shine, we have mermaid, and this looks pretty good. I'm really proud of myself. So, yay! Thank you for watching. Come back to my channel for more videos, and maybe we'll do some more crafting another time. And please make sure to subscribe, blah blah blah, like my video, because I like you. Thank you, bye!